I just realized that I have made over $51,000 with the GoDaddy Reseller Program. Now, this is a program that I've just been recommending casually for years. I don't do anything really over the top to promote this. I just thought I'd sign up for it. And when I think people need domain names, I say, hey, go to my reseller site and get a domain name from GoDaddy. And it has really added up. And I've noticed it's been true residual income, and that I get deposits every month into my account, even though I'm really doing next to nothing to promote it. And I'm going to show you all the details of this program. It is definitely one of the best reseller programs. It's a sleeper. It's one of these out there that people really don't know a lot about. But I didn't even know that I'd made this much, $51,000 over the years. And that's over a number of years. But I'm getting checks every single month from this. I'm going to show you why this is such a special reseller program. And I'm going to be spending more time promoting this. But before I go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here is my reseller site. It is really simple. It is quickregister.us. Okay, and they give you the site and it redirects. I just have quickregister.us redirecting to this link right up here. And that's my site. It's just a stock reseller site. I didn't do anything to modify this at all. It's not hosted on my servers or anything. It's just like almost like an affiliate site, but it's not. It's a reseller site. And I'm going to explain the difference in a little bit. And I've set the domains, the .com domains and other domains, to the lowest price possible. So if you are ordering from GoDaddy, definitely check out quickregister.us, because I've absolutely set the prices to the lowest that they allow us to set the prices. Comment cheap domains down below and I'll send you the direct link, quickregister.us. So when you sign up as a reseller, and I'll show you at the end of the video exactly how to do this, with GoDaddy, they give you this site right here. Now you can get your own domain name like I did and just redirect it, which obviously you should. And you get this whole site. And when people order domains from you, it's not just the domain. You think, oh, I'm not going to make a lot of money on the domains. No. They have all these other services, and GoDaddy are absolute experts in upselling everything. You got professional email, cPanel, WordPress hosting, all kinds of upgrades here. I'll run down those for you in a second. So you get paid on everything they order. But it's even better than that. You own the customer. These are your customers for life. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. These are my sales here for 2025. Again, I'm not selling this. I'm just casually referring it to people. I've not done a ton of videos on this or any paid advertising, nothing. But I wanted you to take a look at this here. Here's somebody, I have no idea who this person is. Okay, I've never talked to them. Okay, they came in for a domain name, but then they ordered all this other stuff. I had no idea. And they spent $1,134. I made $495 out of this. And so you could see the potential of this. So once people lock in to getting a domain name from a certain place, and you can just see if you have a domain name, you've probably been with them for years. You get in the habit of using that one person. You buy domains all the time from that person, and not just domains, all the other services. And as a reseller, you get recurring, true recurring commissions on all this, because basically you're building like your own hosting business. You're just cloning GoDaddy, and they've got this thing down, worked out to a science. I believe they're the #1 seller of domains and of such services, but it's more than that. It's hosting, it's everything. So one, you get to own the customer for life. They're your customer for life. And number two, you get lifetime residual income from these customers, and you can even have access to your customers. So it's like you're back in your hosting company, and all this is run for you. There's been zero customer service on my part. I mean, zero. I've never talked to any of these people. They just sign up, they buy, and I get recurring commissions. Now, here are some of the services that you get commissions on with this program. Okay. I didn't even know them all. I just had to look in ChatGPT. That's how little time I spent on this. But you get, of course, domain names, you get a commission, web hosting, SSL certificates, email, website builder plans, e-commerce tools, website security backup, privacy protection, marketing tools, SEO, domain renewals, etc., etc. And if you ever bought a domain from GoDaddy, you know that they've got upsells all over the place. They've really got that down. But now that is working in your favor for you as a reseller. I'm going to go on, but if you're interested in learning more about this, just comment reseller down below, and I'm going to give you two links. One, the link to become a reseller and of domains, and then you can also become a super reseller like I am, where I can get other people to become resellers, and then I make money off of what they're doing. So there's like a second level there if you want to be a super reseller. So you got two options there for you. But so comment reseller down below, and I will send you those links directly. But like I said before, there's zero customer service with this. And I can attest to this because I've been doing this for over 10 years, right? I haven't even paid attention. Like I said, I didn't even know how much I made. All right. Billing, tech support, all that is done. All the upgrades, all the selling, customer service. They got a phone number on there for it. Here's another thing, and I've taken advantage of this. You can buy domains for yourself. Like I was paying like $8, $9 for some good domain names. But you can get them at a huge discount from your own reseller panel once you sign up as a reseller. Okay, I want to show you just the simple process it is for someone who signs up to buy a domain on quickregister.us. I first created an account. It took just 2 seconds. And then you come here and you can search for your domain. So I just said, let me search for this one, the best free advertising site in the world, because I set up a lot of free advertising sites. So search for the domain, and then you come here and you're going to get these possibilities, $11.99 a year. Again, I've set it to the lowest that they allow me to set it, but then they give you the options. Maybe you want to, if this is your brand, maybe you want to earn own.net, .org, .info, .us, up to you. So those are all upgrades, and a lot of people will buy extra domains as well. And so say I just want to make it yours. I come here, and as I order, I'm going to have the option. You see here, I went to just purchase a domain name. Okay. And now it's offering me an upgrade. Again, if you're a reseller, you're going to get paid on all of this. So this is great. And I didn't set up any of it. They just gave me their self-replicated site that I use, and I redirected quickregister.us to that site. So here we have full domain protection, $11.88 per year. And again, all this renews each year. Okay. Ultimate domain protection. Okay. No domain protection. See, it's already pre-checked. See how good that is? This is good for you. This is excellent targeting and upselling by people who just study this all day long, and you get the advantage. Okay, so here I go. Now, do I want it for 5 years? Okay, already they're upgrading me for multiple years. Again, I'm asked again for the full domain protection. Oh, what about professional email? Again, everything renews, and it's defaulting. I just wanted a domain name for $11. It's defaulting to 5 years and defaulting to $119. That works for you, folks. That's how good they are. Now I can come here and put one if I just want to buy one domain name, okay, and it'll update. You see, I can get it down to $11.99, but I have to go through all these machinations. It defaults to a much higher plan. So you can do what you want, and you can get the inexpensive domain name, but all those upgrades work for you, and they work very, very well. Now, one really important point, if you come down here, you can set the pricing for your products and services here. Okay? You can come down here and set pricings for every single one of these services. And I just so happen to have set my pricings for the domain to as low as they allow me to do it. So But all these are my tools that I'm selling, including search engine optimization, email marketing is popular, professional email, SSL certificates, all the domains, hosting, virtual hosting, even full servers. They have it all. And you're going to get commissions, all this. You're going to get a back end just like this. You can find your commissions. You could find your payment history, renewals, customer lookup, like I showed before. You can actually see your customers. You get a storefront, and the storefront is great. Like I said, I just purchased the domain, quickregister.us, redirected to my storefront URL, and that's all I've done for 10 years, and I'm making money with it with really hardly trying at all. Now, it is not free to sign up as a reseller. This is not an affiliate program. This is your own hosting business. So it is not free to sign up for it. So here is the website where you can come sign up for it. And if you come down here, you can see you have different options, all right? And they go over everything that I've already told you. Build your own online store. Again, I just used their stock store. I didn't build anything. Set your own prices. I did do that. They handle payments. They have full-on support. Absolutely. So you got two options. You can just be a reseller. They have an option if you only have 25 customers. That's okay. I have a pro reseller, so I can have unlimited customers. And what it's going to cost is $179 per year for this, for the right to be a reseller. It's a great deal, folks. I mean, for me, even doing nothing and making several $1,000s, $2,400, $2,500 a year doing next to nothing is totally worth it. It's only $179 for a year. But that's kind of good because you get to know whether you want to commit to it or not. But this is really a good one. And now you can also be a super reseller as well. Now, to become a super reseller, first you have to be a reseller. So just start with the reseller program. Again, comment reseller below and I will send you the links to sign up for this. And here on the site, to sign up to be a reseller, they're showing you everything you make commissions on: domain names, web hosting, website builders, security, hosting for WordPress, everything. Again, this is very different than just being an affiliate for a hosting company. They own the customers then. I've had them lower my commissions before as an affiliate, and you get commissions on all of this stuff. They don't usually do that, and they don't have the upsells like they do with GoDaddy. I mean, this works very smoothly, very well. It's not just like sending them to a web hosting site. They have it down to a science with the domain names here at GoDaddy. So again, if you're interested in learning more, I'm going to be doing more videos on this. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you're interested in learning more and becoming a reseller, go ahead and comment reseller below. I will send you the link to become a reseller. And if you have questions as well, let me know. But I have 10 years experience with this, and it has definitely worked, and it's definitely a winner. So thanks so much. This is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com. And if you want cheap domain names, QuickRegister.us. Go ahead and get your cheap domain names. If you're buying from GoDaddy, you're probably paying more because I've set my prices to the lowest possible for GoDaddy. Thanks a lot.